Welcome to Quiz Game. Can you beat the clock and get the right answer before time runs out? Or maybe not. Let's find out. Here are 15 animals, starting from easy to hard. Can you guess the name of each one in the photo? Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with the newbie level. Number 1. Cat. Number 2. Dog. Number 3. Bat. Number 4. Lion. Number 5. Deer. Before we move on to the challenger level, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss the next challenge, or do you? Join our growing community now. Next up, let's raise the stakes. Welcome to the challenger level. Number 6. Hawk. Number 7. Owl. Number 8. Penguin. Number 9. Elephant. Number 10. Eagle. Oops! Before we jump into the pro level, take a second to hit that like button if you're enjoying the challenge. Can you handle the hardest round? Let's see. Number 11. Dolphin. Number 12. Rhinoceros. Number 13. Kangaroo. Number 14. Armadillo. Number 15. Wombat. Great job! You made it to the end. How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be part of our Quiz Squad community. Thank you for watching. See you in the next quiz.